How to fix the unclickable sold out button on your Shopify product page. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So if you're wondering hard on your online store, selling pants, selling shirts, selling anything and everything seems to be running smoothly, then out of nowhere a customer reaches out saying that they can't complete their purchase because the item is marked as sold out. So when you check your product page over here, and you'll be able to see that it's not really sold out. Right now it's rare in stock, but even if you have some in inventory, it would still say that the product is sold out. However, it's not sold out. So first, you gotta make sure that the product is active and available in your store. If it's visible but still marked as sold out, the problem is likely with your inventory settings. So you gotta head over to your inventory over here, and then what you gotta do is, if you have tracking enabled but your stock at your fulfillment location is at 0, Shopify will automatically display the sold out label. So if you have multiple fulfillment and you have multiple locations or third-party fulfillment applications, so your stock is managed separately for each location. For example, your main shop might show 10 items in stock, but your fulfillment center has 0. So Shopify could still prevent customers from checking out. This is why it's important to check out all locations to ensure stock is available where Shopify is pulling inventory from. So the next thing you can do is that if you're generally out of stock, you can turn this into a positive view. Like you can change it into a positive thing. So in your theme settings, you're going to search for sold out, and you can search for the sold out text and change it to something more engaging like coming soon, pre-order available, or back in stock soon. So this small tweak can make a big difference in customer perception and help keep them interested in your product. So if you still want customers to place an order even when stock is at 0, Shopify offers an option to continue selling when out of the stock. So you gotta head over to your products and then you gotta click on it. And what you can do is simply, enable the out of stock one option over here. That would say that it will list the product if it is out of stock, or if the product is out of stock, it would simply remove the product from the interface of the website. So that's it for today's video. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.